That's right. Look at that sealer. And you want to look at a lot of work. Know what it looks like? It's these. The amount of welding on these things alone, and the bodywork has just been, I'm guessing there's an easy 50 hours a piece in bodywork. Tons of work. It's so hard to do. By the time you start getting like your little edges right, where you know all this looks factory, and some of it is, like none of this is. That's all made. You know, a lot of this is made. So by the time you get to that point, you're like, you know, you've done some shit. We just barely got the holes drilled for the seal. Like, not even half an hour ago, probably. 30 minutes ago, we got those holes finished up and drilled.
We talked about drilling the holes for a long time.
Yeah. And some of them, you know, from the factory are there, but then on the pieces that we made, they're not. But then some of them, they got covered with filler, and then you never found them again. So we had to make all these templates to find all the holes, and it's a process. But now we're gonna paint them tan. Looks like the sealer's dry enough to spray. I'm gonna spray them tan, and then probably Monday we're gonna spray the edges orange. And we gotta get onto the door jambs. It's just so much stuff. I don't want to worry about getting around every edge of one of these while we're worrying about getting around every edge of every door jamb. You end up missing stuff. So I just wanted to do little pieces at a time, which has been the name of the game on this one, because it's just too much. You know, it's just, I mean, covered up. Look at this. I'm a big spooky ghost. It's spooky. Big spooky ghost. It takes hours and hours.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright. Here we are. There we were. Turned out really nice. This kind of detail is so hard to do when you're dealing with so much custom modifications, you know? And we totally built that. That's all made. You know what I mean? This is made. This is made. You know, this is a section off of the front door that's moved. We didn't worry too much about these, but going around these little guys, making these concaves right, you know how hard that is to make those look all nice and even like that. It's kind of catching the light so you can see the lines. Just incredibly difficult. Incredibly difficult. You know? Anybody that's telling you otherwise, better man than me. Now we have our jams. I haven't checked them yet. I am going to start on this one, work my way towards the front. And from what I've checked down on it so far, it seems like just where we had the hinges and then where the filler came in here from doing the door on each one is pretty much all we have. I think everything else about it is pretty close. The only reason that we're gonna have to sand it all again is because of overspray. You know, when we're painting that interior, it just gets, it's really like, I'm taking it off in my hand right here, but you can see that's our just dust from painting the rest of the inside. But now, you know, it gets cleaner each time. So hopefully we run over it with some 400. We'll do 220 400 in here. since we did do some work on the pillars, there's going to be little spots like that we have to fill. This will be seam sealer. This is already seam sealer, but sometimes it just ends up not going in perfect, so we'll go over it again, make that right, clean out little blobs of filler. But by the condition they're in, hopefully at least by Wednesday we'll have the inside here and the outside painted. I am going to spray the edges orange as I did on the other side, and I think when I paint the edges orange on this one, I'm going to go ahead and just paint the pillar while I'm there. That way when we go back to do it again, we don't have those hard lines right here, but when we go to sand it and paint it for final, we'll probably end up with a hard line in here. But make those as minimal as possible. We'll see how she goes. Well, I didn't know it would look so good. I'm really happy with that. Some neat colors, you know. There's some dust on it. But yeah.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.